Have you scrolled through social media or YouTube and stumbled upon these mesmerizing animations? They're captivating and truly stand out. I remember being stunned the first time I encountered this style of video. They're known as whiteboard animations, and what's even more fascinating is how effortlessly they can be created while offering monetization opportunities. Making awesome whiteboard animations with narration can get your YouTube channel monetized. That means you could earn money without doing much once it's up and running. Ready to get started? Let's jump in. First, fire up your browser and look up Mango Animator. Click on the first link that pops up. This is Mango Animator, a toolbox for animation creators. Mango AM lets you craft smooth 2D animation videos. Mango WM is for top-notch whiteboard animation. Mango CM helps you make character animations. Plus, it offers tools for creating text-based animations. Then, there's Mango PM for animated presentations. I'll cover that in another video. For today, let's focus on whiteboard animation. Head over to the Product tab and pick the Whiteboard Animation Maker. You have the option to buy the Pro version, which unlocks extra features. Today, I'll be using the free version. Click the Download button to get it for free. Great, the app is downloaded. Now, just install it like any other app on your system. Once it's done installing, open the app. Welcome to the Mango Whiteboard Animation Maker dashboard. Here, you'll discover loads of ready-to-use templates across various categories like education, marketing, and human resources. To begin, let's opt for a blank page. Click Create New Empty Project. Next, choose the aspect ratio for your full video. Choose 16, 9 for a standard video, or 9:16 for shorts. I'll go with 16:9. Now, we're on the Creator page to craft our animation. Let's explore the tools. First up is the background timeline where you can add or tweak backgrounds. Next, the camera effect tool helps add effects like handwriting or drawing on text or objects. Then there's the action tool. This tool helps set actions for our objects. At the top of the preview panel, you'll see the home button and other tools for creating, configuring, and publishing projects. On the right is the media bin, packed with a wide range of media, images, shapes, text, decorations, and sound effects. You can even upload your own media. Let's kick off our whiteboard animation journey. Start by choosing your story. For instance, I'll create an explainer video about dogs. I'll gather info from Wikipedia and summarize it using Google Bard. I've already covered how to make a video from Wikipedia in a detailed tutorial. You can check it out after this video by finding the link in the description. Now that our story is set, let's create a voiceover for it. You can record your own voice or generate one using AI. I'll be using 11 Labs for this. If you're new to 11 Labs, sign up using your Google or email account. After creating an account, head to the voice library and search for animation. Choose a voice you like and add it to your voice lab. Then, go to Voice Labs and click Use. Now, copy the script from the document file and return it to 11 Labs. Paste the script and feel free to make any edits or additions. Now, press Generate. It'll take a while to create the speech. Once it's done, hit Download to save it to your computer or device. Our voiceover's ready, so let's upload it to Mango WM. Back on the Mango dashboard, go to the Sound tab and select Add Local Sound. Upload the voiceover you generated using 11 Labs. Once uploaded, click Transcode Now. Once the voiceover is transcoded, it'll be added to the timeline. Great, the voiceover is in place. Now, let's breathe life into our story. Our story begins with Hello Friends. To bring in a male character, head to the Image tab and pick a businessman figure. After selecting the man figure to match the male voice in our voiceover, adjust its size and position on the canvas. It already has a hand sketch effect applied. To customize the effect, select the object, then click the pencil icon. There's a variety of hand and non-hand effects available. I'll choose one without the hand. Once selected, click Confirm. Hello friends. Perfect. Now I'll insert this line just half a second into the video. To do this, move the cursor to where you want to insert the object. Next, go to the Text tab, select the text box, and place it on the canvas. Enter your text. To add or change the effect, head to the timeline, select the text block, and click the pencil icon. This time I'll opt for the hand drawing effect with a hand. Let's check it out. Looks perfect.
Today we will learn about
Now I'll bring a dog onto the canvas. Go to the Image tab and search for your desired dog image. If you're not satisfied with the available options, you can upload your own image. Click Add Local Image, then upload yours. Adjust the image position and size on the canvas and customize its drawing effects. Our first slide is done. To start the second slide, we need to clear the canvas of all elements. We'll use erase effects for this. Adjust the object length at the scene's end, then click the plus icon. There are different erase effects available, but some are for pro users. I'll go with a free one, like Page Turn. After adding the erase effect, adjust its length. Note that the erase effect doesn't work on the text layer. To fix this, copy the erase effect and paste it in the same spot on the text layer. Alright, now let's move to the second scene. Start by adding a dog image. You can find previously used images in the Recent tab. After adding the image, I'll include a text box for the narration. Customize the text with different fonts, sizes, colors, and alignment. Once everything's set for the second scene, add an erase effect. Repeat this process for each scene to create your full animation video. I'm speeding up this video for time-saving purposes, but take your time with editing for a great whiteboard animation. When your editing is done, click Publish to export the video. Choose the format, video or GIF. In the free version, the video can be exported in 576p resolution. I'll stick with the MP4 format and won't change other settings. Hit Publish and wait for the video to render. Once it's ready, you can find the video by clicking here. Alright, let's watch the video.
Hello friends! Today we will learn about dogs. Dogs are the most abundant carnivore on Earth, and they have been our companions for over 15,000 years. They were domesticated from wolves, and over time, humans and dogs have developed a close bond. Dogs are often used for working, herding, and companionship. The article discusses the history of dogs, their evolution from wolves, and their relationship with humans. It also covers the different types of dogs, their care and training, and their health. Dogs are intelligent and social animals, and they make great pets. They are also loyal and protective, and they can be trained to do a variety of tasks. If you are looking for a furry friend to keep you company, a dog is a great option. Here are some of the key points from the article. Dogs are the most abundant carnivore on Earth. They were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago. Humans and dogs have a close bond. Dogs are often used for working, herding, and companionship. Dogs are intelligent and social animals. They make great pets. They are loyal and protective. They can be trained to do a variety of tasks.
This method lets you craft fantastic whiteboard animation videos, a perfect start to your YouTube journey. Alright folks, it's time to wrap up. But before we go, I'd love to hear about your experience creating whiteboard animations with Mango WM. Drop your thoughts and results in the comments section. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tutorials like this. If you're interested in creating a faceless space facts channel, without copyright, copy-paste method, or YouTube Automation AI, click on the left. If you want to watch Create a Faceless Movie Recaps YouTube channel, without copyright, automation channel for beginners, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.